Hey everybody, it's Brian here, and I just wanted to come out here to actually show you everything that is going on here. Yeah, I really can't see with all the with this, you definitely got to have your eyes. You definitely got to have your sunglasses on and everything. So, yeah. So, I mean, it is crazy here. I mean, I got to tell you, like, let me show you how, like, all the cars that are like buried. I mean, we got like over 3 feet. That's right, people. 3 feet of snow. And yeah, and every single car is like literally buried. Literally almost. And some of my neighbors, I mean, they're like shoveling, their cars and everything. Hey Mark, how you doing, man? And yeah, so I mean, like all the cars here are like literally buried. And this is like after the storm. And in the office, they're not even here and stuff, so they're literally working from home and so forth. And I don't even know if the maintenance guys are here, are probably working on other places and stuff. But yeah, I mean, this is my neighbor Greta's car. I mean, take a look at her car. I mean, it is friggin' buried. I mean, buried in 3 feet of snow. Take a look at that, guys. Literally buried. Hey, literally buried in 3 feet of snow. So, I mean, this is like literally crazy. I mean, you were around for the blizzard of '78. Would you say this is worse than the blizzard?
I think this is
do you mind if I put you on camera for my friends or whatever? Or?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So, do you think this was worse than the blizzard of 1978?
Yeah.
Or?
I was 7 months pregnant. I had to walk home from West Bridgewater from work.
Oh, wow.
And all week we couldn't go out on Route 18. I used to get a little red wagon to go to the supermarket a mile away.
Wow.
This
I mean,
is worse.
I wasn't around for the blizzard of '78.
They wouldn't let you have cars on the highway, on the main road.
Yeah, and that's what's happening now. I mean, you can't even get on Route 24.
Yeah, this is terrible.
Yeah.
This is going to be like this tomorrow, too. They're not going to be done.
Yeah. So, yeah. Take care. So yeah. So, yeah. Governor Maura Healey has a travel ban in effect for Bristol, Barnstable, and Plymouth counties, and we're Plymouth County, and yeah. So, one thing that I definitely have to say is Zach did a phenomenal job plowing. I'll tell you, he really did. He did a absolute phenomenal job plowing. And yeah. So what? No, I don't think there's going to be any lunch either, Greta. But your car's buried.
Okay, well, I'll just wait till the sun comes out.
Well, good luck trying to shovel it. It's 3 feet of snow. So
Oh, thanks for telling me.
yeah. I mean, it's going to take you hours to,
I know. Well, I'm not getting into that.
yeah, I would probably wait for the maintenance guys to like shovel around it or whatever. So, yeah. So, yeah. So I don't know when the maintenance guys are gonna shovel around the cars and stuff, because normally they do that and everything. So, yeah. But take a look at this car, everybody. I mean, buried in snow. Buried in snow. So, yep. And like Greta said, there's probably... Alright, hang on, I gotta... Yeah, I do. And like Greta was saying, there's probably not going to be any lunches today. I don't think so, because nobody's in the office, and yeah, so yeah, but so yeah, so anyways, so yeah, so this is like the day after the storm, y'all. So anyways, I will talk to you all later, and hope you all have a good day.